I'm so tired, you guys. Oh my god. Alright, so for creamer, I just use this almond creamer. It's so good. Alright, so it's currently Tuesday and I thought I would vlog my day, what is on my to-do list. I think I'm gonna get a few packages today, so I need to put those things together. I obviously need to clean up around me. I need to just organize a bunch more stuff. I think I might go and get like curtain rods and curtains. We have a few windows in a room that and just in this space in general that really need curtains. And I need to get back to the gym. I was doing really good for like 2 weeks, 3 weeks there. I had pretty much gone like 5-6 days a week. Then I moved. So I just need to go back. I'll probably have a chill day at the gym, but yeah, that's what I gotta do. So I'm currently picking out some Halloween costumes from Fashion Nova. They had asked me to pick out like 3 to 5 costumes that I would want. I picked out this one, ninja one. What else? I'm so unsure. I think I picked out the Texas Star cheerleader, so like the Dallas Cowboys. Like they can't actually name them what they are. But yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. I also need to figure out my studio because I filmed in it yesterday and I just hated it. So I haven't uploaded this vlog yet, but a previous vlog I just showed you guys like my studio and why I wanted it there. So it's actually in the basement in like kind of a random room, and I just redid the whole room and added a few like, what I wanted was just a bunch of like photo ops. I like it, but I just don't at the same time. So I really need to figure that out because I'm just not comfortable filming, and I did like my makeup and everything yesterday and I filmed a little bit and I just was not feeling it. So I need to figure that out today because I need to start filming. I miss YouTube. Alright, so I wanted to bring you guys in my little office space and just show you what's going on right now. You know what she did yesterday? Macy, my dad and I were hanging up my green plant stuff. That wall, because it was right there and it all fell. I suck. But anyway, we're hanging that up. She comes in, pops a squat, and just pees. I have no idea. I'm just like, what? You haven't done this in forever. She's just acting up. Like you guys can see here, I have my green wall, and again, like I said, the point of this room is to have a bunch of photo ops and filming areas. So just a bunch of different backgrounds, because when I was at my parents' house, when I was living there for a while, and even at my own apartment, just that gray/white background gets pretty stinking boring. This is what the other side of the wall looks like. So I bought this long curtain rod. So it's actually a room divider from Amazon. It goes up to about like 112 inches, but I didn't need that much. Macy, please don't tear it down. And I bought 3 of these curtains from Bed Bath & Beyond. I always get those two mixed up. So behind this is our utility room. So this room was never framed off or anything. So that's why I was just like, you know what? Let's put this room to use. Like eventually if we ever want to sell, putting an egress window in here and making this an actual bedroom. But anyway, so this is what the other half of it looks like. And then we have just plain brick walls. I have no idea. So I actually want to bring this mirror upstairs and then bring my huge IKEA mirror down here. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try to do that. That thing is so stinking heavy. So I just brought down a nice little kind of like basket, and I'm gonna put all my swimsuits in here. Just the swimsuits that I have on me. So that'll be here, just kind of sitting here, I guess. I did bring down the mirror. All right, so it's currently 10 o'clock. I'm just gonna make a little bit of breakfast. I'm gonna have rice cakes with some peanut butter on them. And then I think Brian had like half of this banana this morning. So I'm just gonna have the other half so it doesn't go to waste. So I have my breakfast here, just 2 rice cakes, and then I also have a hard-boiled egg. I have also been sipping on this Alani Nu energy drink. But yeah, like I said, it's 10 o'clock. I'm gonna go say hi to my mom at like 11:30, see how she's doing. And then I'm probably gonna head to the gym after that. I did end up cleaning up a little bit. So my studio actually looks much better. I'll have to show you guys what that looks like. But yeah, I'm just gonna eat some breakfast. Okay, so I'm back in my basement. I figured I'd show you guys what my little studio is looking like right now. I just organized it, and that's pretty much it. So here we have the back wall. This is just the door. I'm literally seeing just this paint. We need to paint this. Anyway, so we have this like green wall, my big tall mirror mirror here, you guys, this was a trip at putting it down here. Like, oh my God, I was so scared. But anyway, so then you look over here, I just have that, my swimsuit's in there, and then my lighting and stuff is right there. And then again, we have just like my clothing rack. So I'm not sure, like it's super easy to just move stuff around here. So the thing is, like if I wanted to have my clothing rack against this green wall, like I can always move it around. If I wanted to have a brick background, I can do that. So it's not a huge deal. We have Hank in here just trying to get me to play. I don't really have much else to do. Like I said, I'm just gonna go to my mom's in like 30 minutes here, say hi. Honestly though, I've been cleaning up our rooms upstairs. I cleaned up Brian's like little gaming room. I cleaned up our shared room. I cleaned up like another little room that I have up there. I'm trying to figure out like how to furnish them, but I'm not trying to do it super quickly. But I've definitely caught myself just like buying a bunch of stuff, so I need to slow down. But anyway, it's currently 12:20. I just got back from my mom's and I'm gonna make myself some lunch. This is gonna be a really random wrap. I'm just trying to use some stuff up before it goes bad. I do not want it to go bad. That makes me feel like a terrible person, like just wasting my money, letting food just sit and rot in my fridge. Don't want that. Okay, that was the hardest sentence to ever get out. Like I said, this is a really random wrap. I don't know. I just don't want stuff to go bad. I feel like cream cheese and avocado, like that's a like common combo, right? I don't know. Yes, I know this looks weird, but I also added a hard-boiled egg, and this is just going to be wrapped up, and this will be my lunch. All right, so I was just outside for about half an hour cutting down some trees, not just like actual, not the whole tree, but there is quite a lot of like overgrowth from a lot of trees around our yard, and they're almost like, they're so old, like they have not been taken care of, and they're growing through our fence. They're like hanging over into the neighbor's yard, so I had to cut down a bunch of them. I've not cut down an actual tree. I've just been cutting down like especially dead limbs, but I've been doing this for the past weekend. I don't know if you guys can really see it, but that is my pile of trees. I am absolutely dead. So I also just ran into like the FedEx guy and he dropped off a package. So I'm just gonna see what I got here. I'm not entirely sure. I've been ordering so much stuff lately, you guys. Like it's bad. Speaking of, I actually have a financial advisor appointment this coming Thursday. So these are so much smaller than I thought. So I actually bought 2 lights for our room. So just gray, because our room is gray. Our whole entire house is fucking gray. I'm over here struggling to figure out how this damn lamp works. I'm like, where does it, how do I turn it on? I unplug it, on. I had no idea, and these were like pretty cheap. It was literally a set of 2. How cute are these? Oh, okay, I was actually just chilling and editing my video, and I just found this ice cream that's so frozen. Got another package. Oh, okay, so I got a under the sink organizer, and then I also got, I believe these are like my little command hooks that I ordered. Oh, awesome. So I actually got a new shower head as well. So Brian can put this up tonight, or maybe I could figure it out too. Probably not that hard. So I got a new shower head, and it comes with this. So it's this one, it'll be up here, and then this will be like connected to it down below, so you get a body one. I feel like shower heads are the biggest upgrade, well, cheapest upgrade you could probably do in a bathroom. I don't know if you guys saw, but we do have a tiled bathroom. It's pretty nice, it's definitely updated, but the shower head just is not it. It's pretty outdated, and I believe that this one was only around $35 to $40. So to me, that's a pretty good steal, especially like it's just taking your bathroom up a notch. I'm super excited for that. I'll put this stuff together and then I'll show you guys. God damn, we love an independent woman. Honestly, super duper easy. And I didn't put this one like right next to it because I thought, oh my god, what if we had them both going at the same time? Like that's like double the action. Okay, next up on my to-do list, I'm finally gonna head to the gym. Currently 3:01. All right, just got back from the gym, Target, Bed Bath & Beyond, and this is what I got. So I got curtains at Bed Bath & Beyond, I got a curtain rod, and then at Target, I actually just got these 2 curtain rods for our bedroom. All right, so it's currently 5:30. I just got back literally like 10 minutes ago. I've been letting the dogs out. I think I'm gonna have some protein, a little protein shake. I actually got this at my local grocery store. It is the, what is it? Dimetized, 100% whey isolate protein. But anyway, if you guys are curious, both my leggings I've worn today are from Buff Bunny Collection. I am an affiliate with them, so use code Hannah to support code. I'll leave my link down below, but these are the camo leggings, and then the other ones I was wearing are the live leggings in Bondi Blue. And they actually had a restock of those, so those are still in stock, and I believe these are the color NDA. They have a red color and a gray color. Okay, so I'm gonna start prepping some chicken for dinner. All right, so I just put these in the air fryer. I'm gonna go for about 23 minutes at a temperature of 390. And simple as that, you guys. I love this thing. I hate cooking, but this makes it so easy. So we ended up having chickens, beans, and peppers with some cream cheese on it. Like, that is my favorite snack ever, and this was really good. Good morning, guys. It is currently Wednesday, and I finally made an amazing cup of coffee here. The past few days, I have not been able to master my old recipe, and it's been irking me, but I got it. So on today's to-do list, we're gonna head to the gym again sometime today. I'm gonna fit it in, but I need to go return the curtain rods I bought yesterday, just one of them at Bed Bath & Beyond, because it is too small. Measure before you buy. Like, just don't have an ego like me and think that you'll get it the first time, because you won't. So we need to go back and do that. And I need to go to my parents' house and get a screw gun or screwdriver or whatever. So I can hang those up by myself today. I have a level and everything, so we should be just fine. And then we'll just do some miscellaneous stuff around the house as well. I already cleaned up around the kitchen and cleaned up the room a bit, but I still need a vacuum today and stuff like that. And then just put a bunch of miscellaneous stuff away, so yeah. All right, so I quick just got ready here. I'm wearing a little zip up from Fashion Nova. And then my leggings are from Buff Bunny Collection. I've just been wearing Buff Bunny Collection non-stop in these vlogs. I love these leggings. These are the live leggings. They are actually still in stock. I just checked. These are the black color. They have, I believe, extra small and small still in stock, but then in all their other colors, like the deep navy blue, passion, which is like this gorgeous, like deep pink, and then I believe like a light blue. Those are all still in stock with like most of the sizes. So anyway, I'm gonna head to Bed Bath & Beyond and exchange those rods. Okay, so I just got back from Bath & Body Works. That was so quick, literally 1 minute. I just exchanged it. So I didn't think they had the same one in a longer version, but they did. And I only paid like an $8 difference. So that was honestly amazing. So I really don't have any other errands to run that I can think of. So I think I'm just gonna head back home. I'm just gonna screw the hole first a little bit. Okay, it's currently like pretty much noon. I'm gonna have an energy drink, but I finally finished setting up those curtains. Oh my god, I wanted to throw them out the window. That was so annoying. Today, I'm gonna have a 3D energy drink. This is the pina colada one. I actually really like this one. I've only had it one other time. So good. I don't have much else to do today, honestly, like thinking about it. I already cleaned up, I cleaned up my room, I obviously already did that, so I just need to go to the gym, and then I think I need to take some OnlyFans pictures, and then I'm good to go. So I'll probably go to the gym here, maybe at like 12:30, and then after that I'll shower and get ready for the day. All right, so I'm gonna head to the gym. It's 12:15. I just tossed on my Buff Bunny Collection live crop top, and then I'm wearing the live leggings to go with it. This is the color Passion that I was talking about earlier. Love this color. I actually did get this in a size large. I went a size up. I do have the Bondi Blue in a medium, and the sleeves are just a bit tight on. I like the large. I mean, it's a very similar fit to the body, but for the sleeves at least, it's a little bit looser for me. All right, just got home from the gym. Currently 1:45, almost 2. I'm like so hungry, so dehydrated. I'm nauseous right now. That was also probably the worst workout of my life. I have not done upper body in a good solid like week, and I felt so weak I couldn't even like finish my workout, so I just ended with like 2 miles on the bike. So for lunch, we're going back my old ways. We are having some lemon pepper tuna on a tostada. If you guys have not tried this, you need to get to it. Oh my god, it's such a good, easy meal. So kind of upsetting news, I guess. People came to work on like something outside in our house. I had no idea they were coming, and they're working right by the window where like the room is that I film, and that would just be so uncomfortable for me, and I'm literally thinking of doing like another one of those like changing in front of the camera videos where I just rifle off a bunch of outfits, and that would be way too weird. So did all my makeup for nothing. Definitely a little bummed. Maybe I will just end up doing it later on once they leave. They said they'd be here for another hour and it's already 4:30. So I just finished filming my Fashion Nova video, and now Brian actually just got home and we're having some dinner. We're having tamales for dinner. Honestly, we're running out of groceries, but I'm probably gonna have like some chips and guac as well. So I just got this like thing for the windows in the mail, so I just set it up. I did pretty good, but I was a little short on the end here, but like I care at this point. So anyway, that should solve the bathroom issue. All right guys, so it's currently Thursday morning. I just got back from my financial advisory appointment, and I actually after that stopped at my grandparents and dropped off some muffins and just said hi. I now have a full day of editing ahead of me. I have like my water here, an energy drink, and the leftover coffee I couldn't drink before I left, so I'm all set. I'm such a beverage girl. I don't know about you guys, but I love just having something to sip on. Anyway, I'm just gonna end today's vlog here, as today isn't gonna be a very eventful day. I really do hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in my next one.